Okay guys, this is video 4 in the 98 Warrior Restoration Project. It's been a while since I have made a video. A lot of progress has been made. I'm going to make this much shorter. I've noticed my earlier videos get a little bit lengthy and I apologize for that. So I'll keep them a little bit shorter from now on. So anyway, this is just where we've come. Everything has been taken apart that needs taken apart. We're down to the cleaning process and paint prep. So here is, I'm finishing up the exhaust, just getting it sanded down nice, so it'll accept some paint. This one is still to work on yet. The foot pegs, simple shit. But here's what has been done. There's your hubs. There's your sprocket hub. There's your front end axles. There's your carrier, which I decided to salvage and keep, so that cleaned up pretty nice. If you look at the previous videos, there's still a little bit of well, actually that's a weld, but look at the videos before, and you'll see. We cleaned up the tie rods. Got some new ends coming. There's the axle there. That is the front bumper, which I completely sanded. That was black. There is the swing arm, which is freaking beautiful right now. This is all scrap. This is everything that's getting pitched and replaced. Front calipers, A-arms. Some shit I kind of warped a little bit with some heat, but I knew I was going to warp. This is the frame. This will be the last, which at the end of the day I'm going to begin on, get it set up, sanding and cleaning. And I know I had mentioned in earlier videos that I wasn't going to paint. This was all going to be prepped up, but I am going to build a paint booth and a drying booth in here, and this is going to happen sooner than later. So I'm literally going to get the paint. So I have some parts on order, a whole lot of parts. This bike is going to be, I can't say new because of this pile of parts here, but these are very, very nice parts after you clean them up. And this stuff is in, great shape. If it wasn't in great shape, I didn't say that. Everything is perfect, and everything that wasn't is, like I said, being replaced. So this is going to be next to new. The motor I'm going to put back in and run it as is. It ran well. It does have some JB Weld on it that I guess the chain had come through and carved a path through it. So we'll see how long it holds up. I'm putting it in. I'm painting it. I'm putting it in. I'm putting it together as it runs, because that's the way when I took it apart it ran. So I put it together. If the engine takes a shit, then we pull the motor out, rebuild it, fix that case. It's cracked. The one has the JB Weld on it. Apparently it's been holding up, because the bike, the repair was covered in, a lot of riding worth of dirt, grime, grease, and all that shit. So they've been running it like that. So we'll see how it holds up. But my paints, I got everything ready to go. I got the primer. That's my hammered. From, if you watch the previous videos, you'll know where these things are going. That's my burgundy gloss for a lot of the plastics and other things. There's the satin black. They'll be used for some plastics, high heat for the motor. And they got a whole shitload of clear down there. So Like I said, I'm going to try to keep this short when I'm babbling on, but I'm going to make one more video when this frame is clean, and then I might show you a video of the paint booth before I use it. It's kind of creative. The shit that I come up with sometimes blows my own mind sometimes, but we're going to make this work because I'm not waiting all winter to paint this bike. It's going to be done by springtime at the latest. So I lied to you a little bit before. So I'll get back to you in the next few days whenever I get it. Everything is clean, everything is ready for paint, and maybe I'll wait until my parts get here to make that video, or I'll make a separate video on my happy part day when the package gets here with all kinds of happy shit. A lot of shit. Trust me, I'll show you that, definitely, the unboxing of parts. But for now, back to cleaning. Thanks for watching, guys.